Hi everyone, my name is Harshini and today I want to talk about lines and angles. So let's go. Types of angles. There are 6 types of angles and the first one is acute angle which comes less than 90 degrees, like from 1 degree to 89 degrees. In the middle, whatever comes in the angle is equal to an acute angle. A right angle is exactly at 90, not more or not less than 90. An obtuse angle is more than 90 but less than 180. It comes from 91 to 179. In the middle, whatever is there, it becomes an obtuse angle. A straight angle is exactly 180, not even 1% more than 180. It is like a straight line. A reflex angle is an angle that is greater than 180 but less than 360, because it is like from 181 to 359. So there's also another angle which is not mentioned here. It is called the full angle, that is correctly 360 degrees a full circle. It is not more or less than 360. As you can see here, I'm moving my cursor here. So that is called a complementary angle. A complementary angle is like exactly at 90 degrees as in right angle, but they are called another one because right angle should be exactly like 90 degrees. They cannot be like done as this, like two angles cannot be made for it. So, and the other one here, as you can see, this is called complementary and this is supplementary. This is exactly 180 degrees, but other angles also can be made from this. So let's move on. This is vertically opposite angle and linear pair. So vertically opposite angle, see this as C and D. So when a first thing is, it makes a circle, which means this whole thing is 360 degrees. So if they give you the value of A, then it automatically become the angle of B, because the angle A is opposite and it is vertically opposite, so it becomes the same. And also C and D. This is linear pair. In linear pair is just like two adjacent angles connecting to each other as a supplementary angle, but it's actually different because linear pair can be like any side, like slant it can be, or any slant. As you can see in this picture, it is slant but it is equal to 180 degrees, and this is also slant and it is equal to 180 degrees. But supplementary only if it's exactly like a line it will become. And this is angles around a point. It is like if you add all the angles, it should be 360. As you can see, there is a problem given here. In this, they drew a circle because it's exactly 360 degrees, and in the middle point they made angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. In that they told that 110 is one angle, 75 is one angle, 50 is one angle, 63 is one angle, and they didn't give it the other angle. So we need to find out that angle, which is equal to 110, 75, 50, 63 added together, which will become 293. As I told you, it is 360, correctly 360 angle. So that's why we will subtract with 360, and then we will get the angles value, which is equal to 62 degrees. Now let's move. Parallel lines. As you can see here, parallel lines, which is like one line above one line or one line below one line, and as you can see here, one line is intersecting it, so this is called an intersecting transversal. So in this is corresponding angle, this is accelerant angle, and this is vertically opposite angle, because here you can see that this angle is corresponding to this angle, because this is the same angle made in another shape. As you can see, here the same, here the same, but it's just long. Here is the same angle, here is the same angle. As they are moving to, it is particularly given here. As mentioned here, these both also can be parallel. And also, because of this vertically opposite, as you can see, this angle, which is this angle, is the same to this angle. So this angle and this angle are same. Because of corresponding, this angle and this angle will also be same. And because of that, it is made accelerant angle, because this angle is equal to this angle. As you can see here, vertically opposite, if we do vertically opposite, we will get this. And then if we do corresponding, we will get the down part here. And then if we do it in a Z shape, here also will be the same, because it is vertically opposite and then it again is corresponding. So we will get approximately 3 angles just with the parallel lines. I hoped you understood it, and if you really